Let's make Dulce De Leche mousse. In a bowl, add cream cheese, Dulce De Leche, and heavy cream. Whip until light and fluffy. Rich, sweet, and creamy with just 3 ingredients. Dulce De Leche mousse is the perfect dessert for any occasion. Spoon or pipe into small serving bowls. I hope you'll give it a try. It's so easy to make. Liked what you see? Follow us on Facebook. Loved this recipe? Leave a comment and like this video. Did you know you can make your own Dulce De Leche? My favorite method is to transfer a can of sweetened condensed milk to a clean canning jar. Set it in a slow cooker, cover with water, and cook on low for 6 to 8 hours until it is the deep golden color. It's so good to eat on its own, but it would also be good between cookies or even on top of graham crackers or even toast as well. Eating it like a dessert dip could be fun for the kids too. Have fun thinking up creative ways to enjoy and come back and share them with me, so I can try them too. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video. Follow me for more. Bye for now.